I would have just called in sick. You know, every time, this time now, I go down to one country or the other, looking into life elsewhere. Content creator is son. Yay, thank you. As in, I'll tell all about the money for less than 2. Americana. I don't like how you manipulate him on top coke anymore.
I don't like how
you should be repenting. So last you still collected. See where you know whether it's best food.
No, but you wrote it.
No, step missing. It's 19 grams.
What is I have like it's not supposed to was a foreign
okay. That's what I said. Bring your dancing shoes. Maybe the Mr. Joshua of today, Abby. The life of the party is here. I can't join and try again. Okay.
Street, then turn left onto Faramobia GK Street.
And yesterday, the thing did not agree to start when I wanted to go to church. So my uncle helped me to come and do it. We did the head of the battery and whatnot.
Take the next left onto Faramobia GK Street.
Thank you very much. How have you been? Can't be like saying only one would. And they get car issues, they always stop. Okay, so
in 500 meters.
But then they asked the Yano, he said they're very busy and work and whatnot.
This route avoids a road closure on A1. You are on the fastest route. You should reach your destination by 7:27 a.m.
But thank God. As last I'm going to work. If not, I would have just called in sick. What? Who you want calling sick give me? And you know yesterday was my birthday, right?
Oh really? Please.
I never I'm not done the birthday, you know. I'm not doing any party, sha. Thank you. Yesterday was the birthday. Because I don't really feel the birthday as much as I usually do. If I'm not said that, it's because I got trapped. You know, every time, this time now, I go down to one country or the other, looking into life elsewhere. Allah. Content creator is son.
In 200 meters, turn right onto Ikorodu Road, Ikorodu-Asosan Road. Asosan Road, then take the ramp on the left to Bayo Shadipo.
Bayo Shadipo.
Continue on Echo Bridge for 2 kilometers.
TG Omori not do with this one.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Job make it public.
I can't let. My car not start. The battery just decided to die. The birthday girl is here.
Happy birthday.
Why are you now for me serious? Are you not the same month?
Happy
Yay, thank you. See Agbabolas.
birthday. Now you.
Otedola and Co. Say hi.
I don't know what status.
See, what I was doing, did I even remember anything?
Birthday girl.
The time when, if you don't see the time when I comment.
All of them now try. I think it was Mrs. Scooby that reminded everybody.
Now that time I remember
My guy.
where my phone was. I can't carry phone.
You can imagine. So you forgot my birthday.
Not be so.
Now so I go bill am.
Explain.
Otedola.
Evidence no day.
Otedola for the money.
Evidence no day.
It's so nice. Even though I didn't even go anywhere yesterday, but like the wish is my phone, it got to 1%. I felt the love.
Why no come on?
Go where? Okay, I was supposed to go out, but it turned out that we had to postpone it to next week. And then, even when I planned to go to my uncle's house with my family and my other uncles, that one, there I go. Yay, birthday king.
Your birthday.
As in, it was, if not because my uncle on Friday was asking me like, what are we doing for the birthday? Say, yeah. Hey, whoa. It's my birthday. Oh. But on Friday we gonna party. Jibri, we gonna party. Yes.
I was going to the airport on Friday.
See, bad boys. You pretend now the head of the entire Uber. It's alright. Yes, so instead the head will come join us to party. Oh, that's true. Seriously? Is this serious?
Yeah, I'm not coming there. Wow. If we're expecting you on Friday.
You should better take a break.
Even if it is serious. Make it look serious.
Even Mrs. Kumbi during that meeting, she said, so we have to shift it to Friday. She was so serious about the party. As in, some people are going to airports.
When are they going?
Please, they are going on Friday.
Okay.
So we are planning for less than 2.
Come on! I'm eating 2 people.
Ifeoma is going to go home early.
Yeah,
Because the director is coming on Friday, and these 2 are going to pick him up. He said he will find his way.
The director will find his way.
Step saying you chuka hamida, saying you chuka hamida, sarangane uripi, saying chuka hamida, saying chuka The Korean in us could not help it.
Sorry, sir. Let's go.
Wait, foodie. Wait, we are going to the canteen. Leave one guy can come from us. Oh yeah. Peace. Say chuka, say chuka, yeah.
This is an office.
My baby girl, I trust you now. Hold the pot. Please hold the pot. Today is my birthday.
Where's your plate? You not carry.
Where is now? By
Take away.
there's no. Why is there no space for my own?
Please, you know today is my birthday, so hold my pot.
Which one is all this today? I don't understand.
How many times can you do your birthday?
Wait first. This birthday was yesterday,
It was yesterday. It's carryover.
and I don't understand.
My sister, please understand.
Let's say I don't celebrate my birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. What can she do? She's sharing birthday with her baby girl, right? Leave her. You cannot keep up with the girls.
What have we been eating today?
For 4 days now, I don't have light. So I've been emptying everything inside my fridge. No light, so I've been running my life on gen.
Okay, I noticed that.
Are you guys coming fast?
Oh, okay, you have opened the elevator for us. Please wait. We have arrived. We just arrived. The girls have arrived.
Allow person to hear what.
It's today your birthday.
This is our office boyfriend, though.
Yes, sir.
Office
Mr.
boyfriend.
Carrots.
Our office boyfriend.
My sugar daddy.
Wonderful. Yes, I can say sugar daddy.
My personal sugar daddy.
You now do during the weekend.
Are you not seeing how he looks like those people we used to say, Uncle have arrived. Uncle has come. We'll think about to eat.
I'm not eating both fish today.
Another day, another struggle. We have come again to this yellow environment. What am I eating? Good morning. Hi, my friend. Well done. Baby girl, you look like Americana.
Oh, chicken breast.
There's no other one that is looking big. Shall put this one. This is the biggest. It's looking like the biggest.
Oh yeah, another takeaway for give me first one.
Stephanie, I really need to take a personal shot of you. You look so beautiful. She will not be doing.
Yes, one portion of your fries. I'm watching my way.
Ifeoma,
Where is the? Oh, the.
come and look at how this stuff is looking like Yoruba cinematic movie. Come and see how this beans is looking inside.
I shall not chow beans.
Beans, put beans inside my rice, please. Braids word.
Okay.
Okay, so
Stephanie is on braids. Ifeoma is on braids. Agbabola is on braids. The baby girl is on braids. I'm just holding it. I like brown bread and they don't always have brown bread.
I don't understand. You're just holding it.
Please, I need nylon.
I don't understand. You're just holding it.
For emergency.
Are you buying it?
I thought you were
Yes, I'm buying
from
it. No, Val has taken it. This one I have. I bought pear this weekend. So you know, since they don't always have brown bread,
Actually, this bread is looking really brown.
very brown.
And it's fresh.
Ifeoma, please help me.
No.
I mean, let me carry one.
Ifeoma, you're not treating me right.
She said she wants to carry one bread. Bring two if it's brown, though.
You know that, right? And let me do like Stephanie. You're not treating me. I'll tell my Oga for you. You not even fit me. Stephanie, you're not treating me well.
How much is this
Who
bread?
says that?
Bread nice 3.
You're not treating me well.
It's me now. People are not treating me well.
It's 250. How about you should try me?
People are not treating me well.
Nobody ever treats you well. Nonsense girl.
People don't treat me the way I want. Pay for who?
Professor, why are you not doing as if you don't know what you're talking about?
Okay, pay for you.
See. I thought it's Valzo. Yeah, it's Valzo. See how he's very serious.
Okay, so my food is 2.5 plus bread.
2.5. That's
That's
2.7.
Okay, mine is 2.5. Oh, that's true. It's 2.5 plus bread. How come we're having the same system? Stephanie.
You copy me. Yes, you always copy me.
Is that what you say now?
Supposed to pay for all this food.
You are supposed to share it and pay for the birthday cake. This life is not balanced.
I mean, if I add coke to this thing now.
Stephanie, leave coke. We are on a diet. Leave coke.
From
See
0 to
it.
100. See here you go, coke. Never say so. Coke.
But will you change the diet plan?
Kumba.
What's coke inside?
Nonsense, girl. That's the thing with people like them.
No, I'll rest.
How much is my money? How much is bread?
But the coke is very cold.
How much is bread? How much is bread?
I'll tell you, just buy the coke. Very, very cold.
I don't like how you purchase
She has started. I don't like how you patriotism on top coke early morning.
I don't like how you
You should be repenting. See her head. Stephanie, last, I know you come back here. Either by a crook. So just go and collect the coke.
Will you have ice in your gas officer?
Anna.
You have ice?
No, we select people who give ice to this.
But it will be cold now, sis.
See the eye he gave you as you were.
So last, you still collected the coke. But wait, why is this coke small?
See, this.
It's looking like a small size.
I wish I had less sugar.
Okay,
It's actually less sugar. Less sugar.
no, check the back.
What's the back?
See where you know whether it's less sugar.
No, but they wrote it.
No, Stephanie, see. It's 19 grams. 19 grams of.
Because this is the original.
And this 19 grams is per 25 cl. This is 50 cl. So you're having 38 grams of sugar. Stephanie. Just drink. Congratulations, you're doing well.
They wrote less sugar.
Less part.
And it's original taste for that matter.
Less sugar. You know this one?
Original taste.
Carbonated.
You are not even helping matter.
You say this is 250, Abby. What's your last price, man? Since I'm there.
Please, they say my money is 2,750, which is not supposed to be so. This imposes inflation. It's not helping me
The
at all.
price of things have
Seriously. Hey, I went to Ebano this weekend. If I could put one or two, they say 69,000.
gone. I didn't even bother.
From I saw it, but it's not. It's 3 C's. Shai, I they tell you now. It's way cheaper now. That online store was saying 4.2. But at Ebano 3 C's, Oatly milk.
Oh, that milk that you wanted me to buy.
I saw it 3 C's.
What was the milk? What does it do?
It does not. It's not milk. It's made with oats.
Oh, that's
So instead of milk,
Is this like taste? How is it like?
it tastes like normal milk.
It tastes like all this soy milk.
It does not taste like soy milk.
Are you serious?
It is obviously not. Good morning. It's obviously not milk, but the taste is very like I could, ingest it more than all this almond milk and whatnot. So it's better at least. This one of all the oat milk I've tried, this Oatly was the best one.
Okay, you've tried it already.
I've tried oat milk now. Even Alpro self, I did not like the taste. But the thing is that most of them, they usually have the one that is for, barista version and just normal version. So this barista version is mainly for coffee. And since it's only coffee, I use the milk to do.
Okay.
So it's better for me. And thank God it's expiring 2024. Now your sister pack 4. I can't come back in myself. They were like they've never seen it before, so they are very shocked that they won't.
Because the time you go back again now.
I don't understand. Who said it?
1,000 naira if you don't.
Maybe that's why they're selling it cheaper. The time people now buy it, they now bring it to price.
See online, you saw it for 2.
Okay, but this I say is only good for coffee.
It's not like it's only good for coffee. You can use it to do like normal, hot coffee, creamer kind of things.
And then you use it for coffee number 1.
No, see, it's barista edition, so it makes it easier for coffee. But you can use it for your normal chocolate and
When you're
whatnot.
taking pap now, can you use it for those kind of things?
Pap.
I've never tried it, but I don't eat. Obviously, it will be creamy as because the tea is creamy. But the taste is what I don't know if to go with. Pap, if you like it. But obviously, there are different brands, there are different brands with. Hi, good morning. We understand ourselves. How are you now?
I'm very fine.
I'm very fine. How are you?
And even bread. So.
The bread has to enter the content. But I want to see instead of milk, because that milk, even when you take low fat, yeah, bye. Even when you take low fat, because I have to. Even that was what made me to stop taking it every day. So now I only take it during weekends.
Yeah. The only reason why I want to even change my milk is because
Which milk do you use?
I mean, I don't even like milk, but if I want to use 3 crowns.
And I don't like the taste of that 3 crown.
But because of too much of hormonal balance.
Yeah, that's the issue with dairy. Anything dairy, you see people that even like cheese, Hollandia yogurt, all those things. Why do you think I stopped taking that Greek yogurt as much as I used to? Because that stuff, it messes your hormones up.
That's why I need to use. That's this milk. That's what I was asking you.
No, try it though. If what? Okay, it's only tea you take, Nabi.
No, just
You can just it should be good for it. Maybe I have small that is inside the carton. Maybe tomorrow when I'm coming, I'll bring it. So you will try it. No, it's very good though.
That's why I say before I find almond milk that is good, I've tried a lot of brands.
That's
Some
the
of them
thing.
they
Keep
taste-
trying.
they taste-
Me, I
only
watched a
one
lot
brand.
of reviews. You won't even imagine.
There's only one brand
one,
that
man.
I tried. And it was inside hamper that they brought for Popsy. It was a foreign hamper.
Okay.
They have not used it.
Which one? What's the brand?
But that's the thing, I don't know. But if I see it,
It was even Mr. Kerike that paid.
when I see it, I will know. But I can't remember the name.
But is it almond milk or?
Yes, almond.
You know the most popular almond milk is Silk. It's in blue carton. That's the most popular one. But different companies, different brands, and then you now see some of them. You now be seeing grains inside the milk. Like you know how they blend the almond now. That's the thing. But from all the reviews I've watched, is Califia and Oatly that were the best oat milk. So when I first ordered for Oatly, I now ordered for both Califia and Oatly, but that was on Amazon.
Oat milk is from what is like it's fiber and not fiber.
Yeah.
And they're making milk out of it.
I've even tried making it at home. It's just that I did not have the enzyme to break it down. So the thing was still having like that starchy feeling. But the milk obviously is just you blending milk. Blend it and then just sieve it. That's liquid part of it is just what they call milk. It's not like it's milk.
Okay,
But even on the carton itself, they say, wow, no cow. So, voila. So today we are done. Let's relax. On Friday, Aluta continua. I've used all my energy. The editing when I'm supposed to edit today. Man, rejuvenate.
You're going to post over the weekend. Did you post?
Yes, so yes, Stephanie. Okay, she's on a call. I posted it. Tell Rachel. Okay. Even myself, as I was watching it, better go and watch. Go and watch it. That's what I said. Bring your dancing shoes. I don't understand. Like, you want to be the Mr. Joshua of today, Abby? That's how you do it. Yes, sir. Valley, come and give them step. Yes, step fast. See our mommies are giving step. You're here talking. Yes, sir. This Jibril will soon sack you as today. The life of the party is here. Yes, sir. That's the way the stress. This is how you know big aunties when they do their hand like this. Yes, so for them to drop. Men are doing transfer. How much? How much is the transaction? Tell us. Sis, you have money, but the money is of lower denomination. Okay,
I don't understand.
we need thousands.
1,000. Just look at it. Just look at it as money.
Abi? Anyway, this one is enough to eat lunch. I don't the menu. Baby girl. Hey, each one buys.
1,200 pounds. Pounds.
The ultimate currency.
Yes, pounds.
I say pounds. Please, Naira is the ultimate. $10 and go. How far? It's good that you're claiming the status. See, Ghana chief priest. Oh guys, yeah, so management. I'm okay. Yeah, so let's be getting in the same frame with big madam. As in, stay enter where. And
Now him touch am no man.
you DJ confused. Management. Thank you. $10 and go. Yes, so see them, big men. Let me be in the frame with rich men. $10 and go. No, I don't put them on plane, then they come. Don't worry, when he comes again, reject his paper. Before Canadian embassy reject it, so that you know you have power. It's alright.
We know they come, you know they apply now. They don't get it.
Okay. Oh, $10 go!
As the point in time, you must take and go collect passport now.
Oh, you have to go to that country.
Canada, 2.5 years.
Yeah?
Because you know, we just
No, that one is sabbatical leave.
I like that one. For 5 years. That
Happy birthday to them.
Did you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that good? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. 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 Hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Somewhere else to go.